Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead and start off with the worst ones. Dupe dumplings. So I wanted dumplings because they were going viral, and I got dupes. This one's disgusting. Like, bleh. I really wanted this. They both popped. I really didn't want this one to pop because it's my favorite color. Oh, and Sammy was supposed to be in this video, but she's not, sadly. We were supposed to be on the call, but we're not. Okay, so then we're gonna move on. So the rating of these is, well, the blue one is 0. And this one, if it hadn't popped, it would be a 9 out of 10. We still gotta count the dupe in there, because, like, I don't want to dupe. Okay, next one we have is my Neato. Neato. So cute. I would have to, it's the pink ice cube. I would have to give this an 8 out of 10 because it gets dirty and hairy really easy. And it's really hard to squish. Like, listen to this. Next one we're going to go on to is Ice Cream and Strawberry Twins. I already know I'm giving these a 1. Actually, no, I'll give these a 5 because terrible sound. I don't want to listen to that. But good fidgeting. So it's 5. Banana. No, watch me do it. No, watch me do it. So it's like filled with sand. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10 because, like, listen. Actually, no, I'm giving this a 9 because it gets dirty really easily. So the next thing we have is this axolotl. So it used to be made, it used to have sand in it, like the banana. But it kind of, all the sand, it flew and wanted to leave. So I filled it with stuffing, like stuffed animal stuffing. So I have a big thing that has a cut in it, so I just grabbed some and stuffed it with this. It's a 1. It's not the axolotl's fault. It's mine. Okay, next we have this. I am giving this a 5 because it's a good squishy, but it popped down here and stuff inside is really sticky, so I'm not squishing it and stuff. Next we have this. It's like these two, but way more loud, so I'm gonna give it a 5. Actually, no. 6. Because good squishiness, just hate the sound. Next we have is this. It used to have a purple little cherry on top, but I like ripped it off because I'm weird. It smells like a cupcake. This is a 10 out of 10. Ooh, I dropped it. But this is amazing. It like never gets hairy. You barely ever need to wash it. It's kind of hard to rip. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend this. It would be very quiet if you wanted to squish for it. If it's like, you're in public, you can put it in your sleeve and just go. No one would even notice. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Next we have this Berry Bliss slime. I've already felt this. It's a 10 out of 10. I don't really want to show on camera because I don't want to. I'm just not gonna because I don't want to open it and do all that. But thanks for staying and watching, and I hope you had fun watching me rate my squishies. Bye!